Gold and silver both traded with a little bearish bias for the day. We have seen gold moving towards 2306 levels and also silver has seen 2870. Now, what can we expect with the US session? Is this bearishness going to continue for a while or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Also, this is the second update for the day. Those who it was the first update must have already profited. Just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications, or join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. If you look at the hourly charts for gold, after this sharp drop, we have seen this retracing, and it is now continuing in this bearish channel. It has hit the lows. The highs of the channel is at around 2318, 2322 zone, which is going to be now a stronger resistance for gold to break past by. If you see it is staying above 2318, 2322 zone, that is the point of time you can say it is reversing, and we can look forward to a rise and a reversal. Beyond 2318, 2322 zone, we can look forward to see nearest is 2325, and then we can look forward to 2330 and higher levels. Stochastic looking downwards, but right now I can see that slight bearishness is seen here. If you look at the hourly charts here, you can find that on the MACD after the sharp decline, we have seen it rising. Now it is under retracement, and a possible crossover is what we can see the reversal here. But right now it is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped. Coming to 2 hour chart, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see lower highs, lower lows trading in this channel here. That's very important for gold to break past by this zone. And see the moving averages are also trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards here. If you look at the stochastic, this is also hit the lows. The MACD is also trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is hitting the bottom here. Coming to 3 hour, the observation on the 3 hour charts is more or less same, nothing different. Yes, trading in this bearish channel. It has to come out of this zone in order to confirm reversal. Right now it is trading bearish. On the downside, now the support levels in between 2305, 2302 is going to be very, very strong. Below 2302 is where we can look forward to 2297, 95 zone first target, and then 2290. 2290 is going to be the next strongest support. Stochastic has hit the lows. It is trading oversold. The MACD is trading with divergence. The MACD is trading bearish on the 3 hour charts here, and RSI is hitting at the lows here, trading flat near to the bottom. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts here, you can find out see increasing bearishness is seen, but right now I can see that the lows of this channel, the bottom of this channel, is proving out to be a very good support. Thus, it is very, very important for gold to now trade below 230502 zone in order to confirm the bearishness. Also, if you look at the prices are trading with divergence from the moving average, and the moving averages are trading with divergence as well, which is a bearish sign here. If you look at the movement here, what has happened in gold, see it has come out of this retracement channel, and it is right now trading bearish. But again, uh, it may continue with the bearishness, but a little retracement is what we can catch up for. And thus, if you see it is staying below 2318, 2322 zone, you can say that it is reversing. Stochastic hitting the lows and staying oversold. MACD is trading with divergence, staying bearish. RSI is also hitting the lows here. Coming to the daily, and before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can write an email or ping me on Telegram in order to join my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for details related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a swap free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. After the drop, it has retraced and it is now looking downwards. Also, if you connect the dots here, you will find lower highs, lower lows. Thus, it is very, very important for gold to now come out of this zone, break this channel, and thus if you see it is staying below 230502 zone, we can see a sharper drop may be seen here, which can in fact take the prices further low. How low? See 2297.95 is going to be first target. 2290 and 87 zone is going to be the next target. Breaking below the double bottom levels, remember we are looking forward to 2280 and 2260 levels here. Yes, it can drop sharp, if not today, possibly sometime soon. But right now, if you look at the movement, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, and again looking downwards. Thus, the zone here on the downside 230502 is something you should be watchful of. Stochastic oversold. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bearish cross. This is something you should be watchful of, and RSI is hitting the lows here. Thus, looking at this, you can sell here at 230502 levels, expected to move towards 2297.95, 2290.87, and below that 2280, 2260 levels will be seen here, if not today, sometime soon. On the upside, I will recommend a buy at 2312 levels, but then you have to be careful, extremely careful. 2316, 2318 is the zone which is going to be a very strong resistance zone, and then 2322, 2325 levels will come into picture. If you see gold is staying above 2325, you can say that it is reversing, else it is still not to be treated bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. On the early charts, you can see very good support is seen at 2880, very good resistance is seen at 2905, $29 levels. Thus, this zone it has to come out from, and any breakout above and below should be a sign of reversal and a rise or a drop. Right now, it is confining itself within this zone. Stochastic here is looking downwards, trying to suggest a slight bearishness. MACD, though on the early charts, is still in green. It is looking upwards and it is showing slight bullishness. The RSI is almost running flat here. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. See, higher highs are seen and flat bottom, and if you connect the lows here, you will find higher lows and higher highs here. Thus, it is very, very important for silver now to trade below 2870, 2860 levels in order to confirm the drop and the crash here. If it drops below 2870, 2860 zone, remember we will look forward to 2840 and lower levels. This is also possible. Stochastic here is looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. The RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour chart, the observation is more or less same. See, preceding candle comes with a drop and it has come with the higher levels. Also, currently it is trying to confine within this zone. It has to come out of this zone. Thus, a drop below 2870 should be an ideal selling entry for us. While on the upside now, $29 levels should be a buying entry, but then 2920 levels it needs to take away. And if it drops, if it rises beyond 2920, 2930 zone, we can say that it is trying to reverse, and we can look forward to 2950, 2960 zone. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, you can see that the preceding candle comes with the push from the top side, and it has started on a bearish note on the current candle. However, it is very, very important for silver now to trade below 2870 in order to confirm the bearishness here. Else, it is also delivering higher lows and higher highs. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is almost hitting the lows here and sitting at the bottom. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, so far we can see silver is staying in zone and in trading in range, neither willing to break nor willing to rise. And look at the preceding candle comes with the lower highs, and today it has already created lower lows, so it may confine its movement within this zone. And if it reverses from 29, if it reverses or rises beyond 2920 zone, we can say a stronger rise towards 2950 can also be seen here. But right now it is not suggesting of such bullishness here. The stochastic is oversold, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is also trading with slight bearishness. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy silver. If you see it is staying at $29 levels, you can buy here. Expect it to move towards 2915, 2920, and if it breaks beyond 2920 levels, you can say 2940, 2950 is going to be the next target. Any move beyond 2960 is where you can say that silver is reversed, and we can look forward to a stronger rise. Else, it is still not to be treated bullish. It can try to drop again. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries related to the services, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you.